Water is regarded as one of the most significant resources for human beings. It exists in different forms and is distributed in various storage systems, such as oceans, glaciers, rivers, channels, and lakes. Water moves and changes from one form to another, and from one of these systems to another. Oceans hold the largest amount of the total water volume. Unfortunately, seawater is non-potable due to its high salinity. Desalination can make it drinkable, but is a very expensive, energy-intense, and for the aquatic environment, questionable process. Most of the fresh water on Earth is stored in glaciers and ice sheets. Around 90% of the glaciers are concentrated in Antarctica, and the other 10% are in the Arctic, more specifically in Greenland. However, it is hard to drag an iceberg to more habitable places. Groundwater stored in aquifers is distributed all over the planet. These resources can be found down to an absolute depth of 2,000 meters. Groundwater is a renewable water resource if it is still recharged from precipitation and surface water. Aquifers can be a water resource for many future generations, if not used faster than they can recharge. Surface water is the most accessible water source, stored in lakes, rivers, and channels. For this reason, humans have historically settled close to these easily accessible water sources. However, surface water is also one of the most vulnerable, and therefore often most polluted storage systems. Cities are more and more dependent on groundwater for their drinking water supply, as the nearby rivers are not drinkable anymore. In our hydrosphere, water is also stored in wetlands, the atmosphere, and soil. Soil is also one of the most important water storage systems for agriculture. Some soil can soak up water very well and holds it like a sponge. Therefore, plants can use the moisture, and more water can be absorbed instead of running off, causing erosion. All over the planet, more and more water scarcity hotspots appear as pollution increases. Aquifers and surface basins are used too fast. Damage caused by land usage needs to be restored, aquifers recharged, pollution treated and avoided. Water can be a renewable resource for future generations, but some steps need to be taken.